my teenage boy went through his teenage years from 13 through to 16, I can honestly tell you that I was a really terrible father. I wasn't there for him. I made some choices around how I treated him emotionally that really had an impact on him. And so, you know, through the years, I owned those experiences with him, and now my son and I have an amazing relationship, you know, and we talk to one another as men. He's 18 years old, he's doing really great out in the world, and I just think that, you know, the struggles that I went through taught me how to be a great dad. And that's what I will continue to be with my younger children, is to be a great dad for them. You know, there are generational things that happen, or experiences which continue to go on and on and on in generations to come, because somebody's not actually saying no more, and somebody's not opening a door for others to heal. I mean, we need to actually be able to comfort those people and say, look, let's sit down and have a talk about what you're going through. Why are you doing this to your family? What sort of other choices could you make, or do you need help to deal with this? We tend to be very hard on ourselves, and we've got a lot of behaviours that actually we shut ourselves down. It's Māori men particularly, because they've grown up to be staunch, and you know, they have to handle stuff, and we don't naturally talk about how we are feeling, and that can sometimes sit with us and cause all sorts of internal pressures, which then come out in ugly ways. I had to really look inside myself and deal with the past, and make sure that when I came out of it, I had a pathway of, you know, 1, loving myself lots, 2, loving my family, and living a life of integrity, you know, making sure that I made really great choices so that I could role model for others, and so I could lead not only my whānau, but, you know, my wider family down a path of positivity, and also, you know, having a life they really, really love. Just make sure that you really check in with yourself and know how you're feeling. And if you're feeling low or you're having trouble, make sure you ask for help, you know. It's hard sometimes, but I know for myself now, I've got to a place where if I'm finding things difficult, I ask for help. So never be whakamā or ashamed of asking for help from others.